Hey guys, it's Kristen here, and I have a 9-minute express mat Pilates workout for you today. So if you've been sitting for a long time and you just need to move your body, roll your mat out, join me for this quick 9-minute workout. All right, I have my gym ball set and ready to go. So we are doing each exercise for 40 seconds with a 5-second rest. Really, it just gives us enough time to transition. All right, we're gonna start at the back of your mat. We're gonna take some roll downs, walk it out to plank, walk it in, and roll up. So just start by dropping that chin to your chest. If you need to soften those knees, go for it. Walk those hands all the way out, press those palms, walk your hands back in. Soften the knees, tuck the tailbone under, and roll yourself all the way back up. We're just getting some nice articulation through the spine here as we roll down and up. Really switching on the upper body as well as we walk out to that plank position. So you can do this in your own time. You don't have to be with me, but just think of all that perfect technique and think about having perfect posture as you do this. Good. Roll all the way down, walk it out, and we're gonna come into a pike position here. You're gonna lift your heels up, press them down, lift one leg up behind you, circle it around out to the side, and bring your feet back together. Heels go up, down, take that other foot back, out to the side, circle it around and down. Lift those heels up, down, reach one foot up, keep alternating legs each time. You're just gonna warm up through those hips, warm up through those calves. Good. Keep going. And if you need to finish that last rep, go ahead and finish it. And then bend your knees, come all the way down. We're now going into a 3/4 push-up. So bring those hips forward, soften your elbows, take them down, up, lift, twist to one side, side plank, and bring it back in. Knees down, 3/4 push-up, down, up. Tuck those toes, lift those knees, 3/4 push-up to plank, side plank. If it's too much for you to come up to your toes, you can always rotate and keep that bottom knee down on that side plank. All right, now we're gonna lie all the way down, keep those hands underneath your shoulders, and we're just going to take a back extension, pressing through those palms, lifting your chest off the mat, keeping your bottom rib connected to the mat. We're gonna reach one arm long, bring it in. Hold the position, reach the other arm long, bring it in, release and lower it down. Press and lift, find that back extension, keep looking down at your mat. Reach one arm long, bring it in, take the other arm long, and in, release, lower down. Inhale, extend. Reach one arm, reach the other arm, pull that belly button into your spine. Watch that you're not pushing your belly into the mat. Keep drawing the belly button away from the mat. Good job, and last one. Roll up. And now we're coming into a saw. So bring your feet nice and wide. Doesn't have to be too wide, and hands behind your head. Let's say we're going to twist, roll down, lift, and square off. Twist, roll down, lift, and up. I almost forgot what I was doing for a moment. Isn't that nice? Just a little side bend here. Make sure that you keep both your sit bones on the floor. And twist to that knee, bring your elbow down towards your knee. And finish that last one. Good, release. We are coming down onto the floor. Let's cross your left foot over your right knee and then drop your knees to the left. Hands come behind the head and twist your upper body to the side as well. We're gonna curl up and down, curl up and down. So you get a nice side crunch here. Working into those obliques, lift and lower. Lift and lower. If you feel good and you'd like a little bit of a combination, go up, down, lift and lower. You have a side bend and then a full ab prep curl. Good, bring those hands down. Bring those feet back through center. Lift that foot that's on the floor, and we're gonna take a little reverse curl. So roll over, prep, and lower. Just lifting those hips 1 inch off the floor, up and down. Now watch that we don't just drop those hips down. So we're gonna lift and lower with control. Use those lower abs, draw them in and up. Good job, guys. Place that foot back down, and now we're going to go into a single leg glute bridge. Just pick your hips straight up, extend this top leg up, cross it over, and lower the hips back down. Push those hips up, hold it there, drive through the foot that is on the floor. Squeeze, keep those hips level. Good job, guys. Keep going. And release. Let's change. Cross your right foot over your left knee. We swap it over. Now drop those knees to the right. Take your hands behind your head and twist your upper body to the right as well. Lift and lower. So taking that side cincher here, working into the waistline, working into the obliques. Bring the same bottom rib to your hip. Yeah, think about trying to curl your elbow up to your hip. If you want a little bit of a combination, one side and one up. One side cinch, one ab prep. One side cinch, one ab prep. Good, to release, roll it back through center, head and hands stay down. Lift that bottom foot off the floor, reverse curl, up and down. Lift those hips up and down. Good, slow lower down. Really control it. Use those lower abs. This one is harder than it looks. Good, lower that foot down. We're gonna go into that single leg glute bridge here. So lift those hips up. Stretch that top leg up to the ceiling, bend it back in, open that knee out, and lower it down. You got it, guys. Keep going. Really drive through that supporting heel. Lift those hips higher. And lower. We're gonna finish on bicycle abs. Hands behind your head. Lift one leg up to tabletop, then the other. Stretch those legs up, curl forward. Take one leg down and start to take it into your bicycle. And change. And change. Get those shoulder blades just off the floor. Slow and controlled. Curl up a little bit higher. Good, bring those legs up, bend them in, lower it down. Well done, you guys. Hug those knees into your chest, give them a little rock side to side, and roll yourself all the way back up. And that is it. That is your express Pilates mat workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you feel good and you got yourself moving in under 10 minutes. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've got new workouts up every single Monday. If you like to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Bye guys.